हेलो एवरीवन, कैसे हैं आप सब लोग। मिन्नी की मिठास में आप सभी का स्वागत है। तो दोस्तों, आप लोग सोच रहे होंगे कि मैंने इतने दिनों से कोई वीडियो क्यों नहीं अपलोड करी। तो दोस्तों, मैं बहुत ज़्यादा बीमार चल रही थी, इस वजह से कोई भी वीडियो बनाने की हालत में नहीं थी। तो आज थोड़ी ठीक हुई हूँ, तो मैंने सोचा क्यों ना आप सभी के लिए कोई वीडियो बनाऊँ। तो दोस्तों, आज की मेरी फेवरेट और बहुत ही ज़्यादा टेस्टी और डिलीशियस रेसिपी है, जो कि है खमन ढोकला। ये एक गुजराती डिश है। तो देखिए, आपको मैं सिखाती हूँ कैसे बनाते हैं। So now I will be adding 2 cup basins into the bowl. As you can see, the extra basin material would be left out. As you can see, I am doing it. This is the second cup I am putting in the bowl. Almost it's done now. Now I will be adding half teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of sugar powder and half teaspoon of turmeric. And now I am adding approximately half cup of curd. We will just mix it very carefully. And now I am adding a little bit of water. Just mix it. You have to make a very smooth batter. I'm just mixing it. Just add a little bit water more if you think that thickness is more in the batter. You have to make it very smooth. Yes, I am mixing it. I know my hands are becoming a lot of pain is going on in my hand, but we have to make it very smooth. If your hands are paining, just wait for 2 minutes, then again mix it. But you have to mix at least for 10 to 15 minutes, because we have to make this batter very smooth. Then if you can't make it smooth, then the dhokla will not be fluffy and spongy. Now I think it's done. Now the batter is smooth. I have just kept it aside for the rest. And now I'm preparing the dhokla. I'm just greasing the tin with the if you are having ghee, you can grease it with ghee, or if you are having oil, you can grease it with oil. And I have put a butter paper on it. Now I think my batter is smooth. I have checked. I am putting the 2 teaspoon of oil into it. You can use any type of oil. I am using refined oil. You can use any type of oil which you are having in the house. And I have put 1 teaspoon of ENO. You can also put a baking powder, 1 teaspoon baking powder into it, and just put a little bit of water and just mix it very gently. Very carefully you have to mix. Now I am putting into the cake tin. As you can see, now I will be just tapping it so that the air bubbles doesn't come into the tin. And I have just taken the kadai. I have put the tin into that kadai, and approximately you can see for 15 minutes just I put. And now you can see almost now it's being made. Approximately 15 to 20 minutes it takes. Now with the help of knife I am just leaving the edges so that all the full dhokla comes out, full part. And now very gently you have to remove the butter paper. You can see it's very spongy and fluffy. So easy and so instant to make it. It's really very easy. And now you can cut into the pieces any shape you can give. That's not if it's a dhokla you have to give a square shape only. You can give any type of shape you want. You want a rectangle, you want a triangle, you want any shape you can give. The basic part is it should be tasty. As you can see, it's so fluffy and spongy. You can press it like it's very easy. Now we have to put something on it, so I am taken a kadai and I have put a little bit of ghee into the kadai. I have put a little bit of green chilies. You can add ghee or oil, it's up to you. Now I have taken the mustard seeds, rye. I poured that into it. A little bit of curry leaves I have taken and poured into it. And now I will be just frying it for a minute or so. As you can see, I'm frying it. Now I will be putting water into it. As you can see, I'm putting water. And over here in the water itself, I am putting the half teaspoon of salt and 3 teaspoons of sugar. It's up to you basically. It's basically on the sweetness. It's up to you. You want 2 spoons of sugar you want to, or 3 teaspoons of sugar, and just give it a boil. Give it a good boil. Just give it now you can see it's boiling. Approximately if you put 1 glass of water, just boil it. Approximately it comes to half glass, and just half lemon juice just squeeze into it and just mix it very well. As you can see, I am mixing it. And now this whole water we have to put on the dhokla, and it will become very delicious. You can see I'm adding the water on this particular dhokla. It's really very nice, and it's really very instant and easy to make. You can see it just particularly it took me approximately 20 to 25 minutes, and the dhokla was being ready. You can see it. I'm pouring it. You have to cover all this water from all the sides, because if you just leave any side, then it would be very difficult for you. It will not be very normal soft, and taste will not come. So now you can see. And definitely please like this recipe, please like my video, subscribe and share my channel. And I want you to please just try this once at your home, and I assure you that all of your family, all the kids and people will love out there. So till then, take care, bye bye my lovely friends.